What's up, guys? Today Brandon and I are going to go out for some skids. It's been a few weeks since I drove the Vette, but I'm itching to drive, so we're going to go out for a quick session. I might try some backwards entries. I've never done one before or even tried, so that'll be interesting. So let's get to the spot and start throwing down. So, scouting out the area here in Mexico. About to get a little rowdy. I haven't driven a little bit, so it'll be interesting, but we're going to try something we've never tried before today. Really push this thing to its limits, and we're going to see how it goes. See this car coming? 2 cars.
Yeah, that's my brother.
In the Jeep?
Yeah.
Alright, so I might just try to send it first go.
Yeah.
Might not have much time. So, if you guys want to get ready, I'll get it. I'll get to it. Alright.
Send her.
Was it backwards? It's hard, man.
That was good. That was very close to backwards. I don't know if I'd call it backwards though.
I don't know if I'm enough angle. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they just need to be higher tire pressure.
I think that's your main thing.
Yeah.
What'd you think?
That was a decent run. Not as backwards as I'd like, but
Yeah, it was pretty sick.
might have to play with the angle and tire pressure.
Ackerman.
Yeah, something.
Ackerman adjustment so you could have
The one-wheel dragon.
Yeah.
A little too much heat brake.
Yeah.
It's hard, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Especially like I don't have near the angle like I could, so I gotta work with what I got.
Put 2-inch spacers on these things. Poke them out.
These are 1-inch. I have 1 1/4. I might put those on, put -4 camber instead of 3, and then dial the stops. So you want to get some runs in?
Sure.
That one should be good
Yeah.
I don't think it was backwards. It might have been like backwards towards the end, like barely, but it's hard.
You know, in the car, it feels a lot different.
For sure.
But it was a sick run.
Yeah, it's pretty real.
You're balls deep coming out of it, though.
Yeah, this thing ripped up like a mother, bro. Like coming out of that. Huh?
You able to stay in second the whole time?
Yeah, it didn't ping limiter him up.
Yeah, it's perfect.
So I just got done with my runs, tried some backies, but it looks like I'm gonna have to throw some more angle in the kit and raise the tire pressure so it'll come in backwards properly, but it felt good. And now it's Brandoni's turn to give it a rip.
How's it going?
Good.
Is there a problem or anything?
At the next owners meeting, there will be. Just keep doing what you're doing.
Alright.
Go ahead.
We were just wondering if it was a problem. So, if it's a problem, we'll get out of here.
I'd appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
It's real. I mean, I think you guys go to shop up there in the corner and stuff. I got a shop here. It's really private roads, and then this ain't the place for it.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna get hurt, man.
Understood.
Let's be cool about it.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
We'll get out of here, man. Yep. That'll be it for today. We just got talked to by one of the owners of a shop down there, and he said that at the next owners meeting, there's gonna be a big problem with the drifting and stuff. So I just told him we'll get out of here.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll just pack up and come on down there.
Sucks.
What do you do, right? Time to pack up and go to the next spot. What do you got there?
Got myself a little fancy broom here.
Wow.
See if we can
That works way better than I thought it would.
get some stuff out of the way. This is freaking mint. Should take this home.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys come close to here, I don't want tracking you up.
Good job, mister.
Job well done. It's an ice skating rink, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty small. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what we can do here. Woo! That was a naughty boy! Haven't done a 3 in a while, so it's cool to hit it first try.
Hell yeah! That was sick. What do you want to do now? That was
bad,
sick.
huh?
That was pretty sick.
Yeah, feels good. All right, we're gonna run some tandies with Brandoni. I'm gonna lead first. We dropped the tire pressure on his car down to 15, so he wants to see what it feels like before having me chase him. So here we go.
What you do there, huh?
Tires are too shot, man.
Yeah. Butter Christmas.
No grip, man, and there's sand everywhere.
Yeah, I got sprayed that last round.
Yeah, I'll have to do it again.
Okay.
Okay. We got company.
Alright, I'll drop him off at his car.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, he's trying to get us on the main road so he can f*** us. What do you think?
I don't know. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
Just got a Chick-fil-A.
So today's session was cut short because the cop came and kicked us out of that new warehouse facility. Not a big deal. My tires were shot anyways. They didn't have much meat on them to begin with. But anyway, it was pretty fun throwing down with Brandon like always. We didn't really do that many tandems, so I wish we could have. As always, next time. I appreciate you guys watching, but that'll do it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you next time.